Okay, so it was a little better. It's still clipping. It's a little better, but I had the mic buried deep in the helmet, and you can't really hear it. Even with the bike off, you can't hear good. It's buried so deep it's muffled. I know I see lots of these guys, and they're using GoPros. I mean, they're not using anything exotic, and they're not having problems with their sound, so I just haven't figured it out, obviously. But this trip, I'll make another short one here. On this trip, since I know that it's not wind noise, it's not my problem, it's clipping, I moved the mic back out to the chin. Hopefully you can hear it a little better. Alright, let's try it again. So nice out today. I would really love to actually make a video. It doesn't get the clip. Best time to go riding is on Sunday because it's at least less busy than normal. You win, brother. Go ahead. All right, I'll do it. Glad the church people are going home. I don't think they'd appreciate a little flyby. Like I said, a lot of motorcycle guys use these mics, or at least this type of mic. Damn, really? But I also know that like airline pilots, helicopter pilots, I know that those guys use a different type of mic on their headsets. It's this one is omnidirectional, and I don't know the word for the opposite of that. Singularly directional, maybe. But anyway, pilots had said the mic is very close to their mouth, and the mic is, you can already see a signal from one direction. The idea being that gets out the loud cockpit with the mic close up against the pilot's mouth. You should be able to hear it. Alright, brother, I'm turning here. Like You asshole. So anyway, I may have to explore that, but I can't get past the fact that I know for certain lots of the motorcycle videos are made with the lavalier style mic, so it's just something I'm missing. And at the end of the day, it may be that my bike is just so loud that it's just overpowering the frequency, but I have a hard time believing that, because a lot of those motorcycle guys are also on loud ass Harleys. I'm going to make this work.